Fitting the curtains really is child's play. When you open the box, you'll find the curtains in their protective wrapping. This serves two purposes: cleanliness and hygiene. Simply slide the curtain gliders into the loading point, making sure, of course, that the very last one sits behind the retainer. This will stop it pulling all the way through. I'm sure most of us have done this at home. And exactly the same process applies to the external hooking system. Now, and only now, you remove the protective sleeve. The curtains are now ready for use. Once they're up, the tie backs can be fitted, and the final duty, and this is an important one, put the date on the label for self-audit purposes. Removal, of course, could not be simpler.